जो लौट के घर ना आए, है मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, है मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली, थे धन्य जवानों अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद।
Good morning, everyone. We will be starting the program in few couple of minutes. I request everyone to please settle down. And if my voice is reaching outside Nath, anyone outside may please come inside and settle down fast. Thank you so much.
Never miss an update. Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. It gives me immense pleasure to extend you all a very warm welcome greeting on behalf of whole ITM fraternity. It is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all to grace this auspicious occasion together as a family of ITM University. Irrespective of our culture, civilization, caste, creed, religion, the most important binding factor is the national flag. The tricolor symbolizes courage, truth, and prosperity. May I now request our chief guest for the day, Professor S.S. Bhakar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, ITM University, Gwalior, for the flag hosting ceremony. Sir, please. Let's raise out our voices in unison for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
दो गज की दूरी और मास्क है ज़रूरी. Keeping these golden lines in mind, let us begin with today. Kindly pardon me, क्योंकि if मैंने मास्क लगाया तो the microphone won't entertain me. I feel immense honor in calling upon our chief guest for the day, Professor S.S. Bhakar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, ITM University, Gwalior. Sir is a man of distinct vision and a fountainhead to illuminating ideas. We admire your spirit of integrity with 100% dedication to the world of education. Sir, please. I would request to give a big round of applause for Sir. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Founder Chancellor Sri Ramasankar Singh Ji, Chancellor Ruchi Singh Madam Ji, Pro Chancellor Dr. Daulat Singh Ji, Vice Chancellor S.N. Kedkar ji, Registrar Omveer Singh ji, Deans, HODs, faculty colleagues, and dear students. I wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. 75th Independence Day means we have completed 74 years of independence. During these 74 years, the country has progressed quite a bit. If we look at number of indicators, when we got independence, our GDP contributed about 3.5% to the world GDP. And today, it contributes about 7.75%. And it was supposed to grow to about 10% of the world's GDP by 2024. I don't know, the COVID might have changed these statistics, and but then we are likely to be very close to that 10% figure. Now, these are the statistics that are positive, and if we look at our SDI, Human Resource Development Index, in the world, we are ranked 131 out of 185 countries. Now, that's a very poor indication. Some of the Asian countries doing far better than us, like Singapore coming at 11th, even Sri Lanka, Maldives, Thailand, Malaysia, all higher than us. In fact, Indonesia and Vietnam also are better than us on SDI. And in fact, some of the Middle East, Central Middle Asia countries are even better. Now, looking at these indicators, if you look at SDI, the contribution comes from 3 areas: schooling, education. The second is per capita income, and life expectancy. These are the 3 pillars of SDI. And one of the major pillar is taken care of by all of us. That is the education. If we look at the way the education has panned out in India, the literacy rate, if we look at, have been going up every year. But quality of education, this is indicated in the way our educational institutions have been ranked in the world by QS. The latest 2022, they call it 2022, but then it has been declared in 2021, indicates that we have only 3 institutions in top 200 universities in the world. Just 3, contributing only 1.5%, whereas we contribute more than 15% to the population. Now, that indicates that we've been performing poorly on education front. If we look at how a country can progress, if we look at a bigger picture, we get lost in the on all these statistics. What I'm going to talk about is how can, as an individual, we can contribute, how can, as schools of studies, we can contribute, how can, as a university, we can contribute in nation building. That is easier for us to understand, and that is easier for us to work on. So that is what we need to look at. In fact, we keep talking about the country is not doing well and so on. And we don't get the kind of facilities that are supposed to be there. But then, do we ever look at what we contribute or what we do for the country? In fact, we all make the country. So if we perform well, or if we do well, the country would also do well. So if we concentrate on individual performance. Individual performance combined together would actually contribute to the school performances, school to the university performances, university to the education performance of states and country. I'm sure if everyone starts contributing to that, the time is not far where we can improve this part of the SDI, the education. And we've seen that life expectancy is directly related to the education. So if education improves, life expectancy also will improve. And also that per capita income has a bearing. Education has a bearing on per capita income as well. That means all three indicators can improve if we are able to improve education. And that's what we are taking care of, or we are part of. As management of academic institutions, be it the founder chancellor, chancellor madam, or pro chancellor, or the vice chancellor, pro vice chancellor, registrar, our responsibility is to prepare the direction, give direction to the institution or the university. And that includes setting up vision, mission, direction, or quality parameters, and system, how the vision, mission, and those quality parameters will be taken care of. But then, if we do good in our area, if we ensure that these are perfect, the pathway to success would be visible. And everyone can move on that path. The next comes the teachers and HODs and deans. HODs and deans need to ensure that the system works. And same is the case with teachers. Now, what is the responsibility of every one of us? We need to do our best. That is the responsibility. And we need to do it in the direction that has been provided for us in terms of the vision, mission, and also annual targets that we need to achieve that. So if everyone works to the full capacity means we do 100%, then the day is not far when this university can rank very highly in the country, and also we can look at KS 500 maybe in near future. There are private universities that are now knocking at that KS 500 door. So if there are other, Sivanadar is one that's very close to that 500 mark. So if they can come that close and knock at the door of 500 universities in the world, we can as well do. But that would require that every single person in the university, including students and all employees, starting from even fourth class employees, everyone need to do his or her best. Once we determine that we are going to do best, I'm sure our combined force and work in the same direction. If all of us work in the same direction, I'm sure we can definitely do it. Now that direction for the short term can be taken from the NAAC accreditation criteria, because that also provides a pathway for quality education. So if we ensure that every one of us work hard to achieve good scores on each criteria and get a good rating through NAAC. Now that's the first step for any higher education institution or university, that we need to we need to indicate to not only that we need to be good, we need to also indicate that we are good. And those indicators are in terms of the NAC accreditations, be it NAC or NBA, or fair rankings, NIRF, etc. So we need to really work hard to ensure that we do we do well in these rankings and accreditations. And once we start working on that direction, I'm sure once we achieve these targets, that we do well on these parameters, we will have a clear path for further progression. So the target is visible, and we all are capable of doing well. It is only the zeal, it is only the will to work hard, it is only the ownership that we need to ensure that we own the university. It is our university. If we start thinking that, and if we look at every single part, that this is our university, this should look better, this should do better, academics should be better, ranking ratings should be better, and everyone should talk positively about this university. If we start doing that, I'm sure we can achieve that. Every individual can make a difference. If we keep thinking about that I'm just an individual, I'm just a single person, how will I be able to change where the university stands today? Now, likewise, everyone thinks, and therefore, we can't achieve anything. But if we start thinking that I can contribute, and I should contribute my part, if that is established, and if everyone does that, then it is achievable. So I personally feel that we need to take a pledge today that we will do our best. In the capabilities that we have, we will utilize those capabilities 100%. There will be limitations in terms of, say, resources, in terms of the other facilities, etc., because they are always there in any institution or any place. But you can see that given the limitations, you can still excel. Look at the medal winners in the Olympics this year. All of them are from lower middle income or very poor families without resources. They had absolutely no resources when they started practicing. But then when they started working hard, people came along, and they were also facilitated, they got the resources, and they are the best in the world. They won medals in Olympics. There's nothing bigger than that. So if they can do it, we are far better placed than those people. And I'm sure we can definitely take this university up, that people start saying that this is the university to study in. And that is what must be our objective. And everything else is a facilitator to that. If people start saying, this is the university I would like to study, our aim would have been partially achieved. So with that, I urge everyone to give 100%. Let's see for next 1 year. And next time we again meet here and look at what we've done in the 1 year that we've spent. So with that, wishing you again a very, very happy 75th Independence Day. And Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspirational and motivational words. I hope everyone inspired by the same. करो कुछ ऐसा कि देश की शान बढ़ जाए, मरो तो ऐसे कि देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, भरो पिचकारी ऐसे 3 रंगों की जब कपड़ों पर पड़े हिंदुस्तान बन जाए, हिंदुस्तान बन जाए. Now, Payal Jadon of School of Engineering and Technology, ITM University, is here to show Indians' love towards their motherland through her patriotic dance performance.
मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले यूं तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा ओ हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जब ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी पर दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Indeed, a great performance by Payal. Thank you so much, Payal. We salute and thank you, our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. Probably this is the only reason we are here together to celebrate this day today. Let me now call upon Aftab Ghani from School of Engineering and Technology, ITM University, to present few words on the unsung hero. Please give a big round of applause for the young talent.
A very good morning to the proud citizens of India. I feel highly privileged and honored to stand before you and convey my emotions on this auspicious day. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under our colonial rule. During that time, for every Indian, it was indeed an uphill battle to fight those powerful monsters, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the one who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that India has earned respect all over the world for the democratic rule chosen by it. We can proudly say that India, our nation, has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. On this occasion, our thoughts return to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind all our struggle for freedom and the martyrs who made supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of the relentless struggles of the great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Gandhiji was seeking liberty from foreign rule and indigenous social chains that had long incarcerated our society. Every individual was guided on a path of self belief and hope. Today, we are fortunate enough to live in one due to the vision and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. In the end, we can't just say that 15 August is just about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotion. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence. And of all the things, it gives us an example that we can cherish the freedom we have got. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely work together and prosper together for the growth and development of our nation. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our mankind. Let us take pride in celebrating Independence Day as we are a country of brave men who gave their life for the freedom of our nation and brought glory to us with their sacrifices. Jai Hind!
थैंक यू आफ्ताब. तिरंगा है आन मेरी, तिरंगा ही है शान मेरी, तिरंगा रहे सदा ऊंचा हमारा, तिरंगे से ही धरती महान मेरी. नाउ आई इनवाइट वैष्णवी गुप्ता of CS Department, ITM Universe, to showcase her dance performance. Vaishnavi, please.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग. यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग. धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है. नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला. सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली, शर्मीले खेतों को ढक ले चूनर पीली पीली. घूंघट में रंग पनघट में रंग चम चम चमकीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला.
That was a poetry of steps by Vaishnavi. Thank you so much. Well, do you all feel some turbulence around here? Well, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sing in to the depth of patriotic music, song that brings us the moment that we always get. Please welcome Ishani Banerjee from BJMC ITM University in a soulful voice. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much.
Happy Independence Day, everyone. Hmm. पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती सवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Thank you.
What a heart-touching performance it was. भगत सिंह आज़ाद यहीं पे जान से अपनी खेले थे, रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरा जुबा से यही बोले थे। क्या रंग था वो देश प्रेम का, लगे यहीं पे मेले थे, मरते वक्त भी लब उनके बस इनकलाब ही बोले थे। Now it's time for another singing performance by Anushri Golwarkar of CS department.
जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। नि सा सा प नि रि म प प रे म म सा रे रे नि सा सा रे 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 म म म प प प नि 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 सा। इसके वास्ते ये तन है, मन है और प्राण है। इसके वास्ते ये तन है, मन है और प्राण है। इसके कण कण में लिखा राम कृष्ण नाम है, राम कृष्ण नाम है। हुतात्माओं के रुधिर से भूमि शस्य श्याम है, धर्म का ये धाम है। सदा इसे प्रणाम है, सदा इसे प्रणाम है, सदा इसे प्रणाम है। मुकाबला करेंगे, मुकाबला करेंगे जब तक जान में ये जान है, जान में ये जान जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। नि सा सा प नि नि म प प रे म सा रे रे नि सा सा रे 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 म प प प नि 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 सा। इसकी गोद में हजारों गंगा यमुना झूमती, इसकी गोद में हजारों गंगा यमुना झूमती। इसके पर्वतों की चोटियाँ गगन को चूमती है, गगन को चूमती। भूमि यह महान है, निराली इसकी शान है, निराली इसकी शान है, निराली इसकी शान है। इसकी जय पताका, इसकी जय पताका ये स्वयं विजय निशान है, स्वयं विजय निशान है, स्वयं विजय निशान है। जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। नि सा सा प नि नि म प प रे म सा रे रे नि सा सा रे 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 म प प प नि 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 सा रे 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 म प प प नि 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 सा रे 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 म प प प नि 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 सा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Anushri. In the great lines of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, forget not that the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. I repeat, remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Moving ahead with the program, we have with us a poetess who is eagerly waiting to pour her emotions out in some very few but heavy lines. Please welcome Soumya Sharma from School of Engineering and Technology, ITM University. I request you all for a big round of applause. Soumya, over to you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now, I'll begin with some lines and then proceed with my poetry. The lines are, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह वो तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है। मैं तिरंगा आज ये ऐलान करता हूँ कि आज़ादी मिले अरसा हो गया है, मगर फिर भी अपने इस देश में घुट घुट के मरता हूँ। मैं तिरंगा आज ये ऐलान करता हूँ, आज़ादी मिले अरसा हो गया है, मगर फिर भी आज अपने इस देश में घुट घुट के मरता हूँ। कुछ तो बात ज़रूर थी उस समय में, कुछ तो बात ज़रूर थी उस समय में, जब लोग मुझ पर जान भी कुर्बान किया करते थे। ऐ मेरे जवान वीरों, ज़रा यहाँ आकर बतलाओ, वो कौन सा नशा था जिसके लिए तुम मुझ पर मरा करते थे। क्या आलम था ना वो जो मेरे सभी रंगों को तुम साथ लिए चला करते थे। क्या आलम था ना वो जो मेरे सभी रंगों को तुम साथ लिए चला करते थे। मजाल थी किसी की जो देख सके मुझे आँख उठाकर, इस हद तक वो खाकी वर्दी वाले मुझसे डरा करते थे। देखकर ये दुख होता है मुझे, देखकर ये बहुत दुख होता है मुझे कि बदल गया है आज हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जो कभी मिलकर बना था शौर्य अमन और आज़ादी के रंगों से, जो कभी मिलकर बना था शौर्य अमन और आज़ादी के रंगों से, जिसका वास्ता ना था कभी किसी मज़हब के दंगों से, जो डरा ना कभी उन फिरंगियों के हथकंडों से, बिखर गया है आज वो, बिखर गया है आज वो, देख अपनों को लड़ते अपने ही बंदों से। देखिए नज़ारा जाने कितनों की रूह काँप जाती है, देखिए नज़ारा जाने कितनों की रूह काँप जाती है। सोचता हूँ कभी कभी क्या यही वो आज़ाद की दी हुई आज़ादी है, सोचता हूँ कभी कभी क्या यही वो आज़ाद की दी हुई आज़ादी है। मगर हाँ जिंदा हूँ मैं आज भी अपनों के दिलों में, मगर हाँ जिंदा हूँ मैं आज भी अपनों के दिलों में। देर से ही सही मगर याद ज़रूर आता है इन्हें कि एक रंग अमन का भी है शामिल मेरे इन 3 रंगों में। मैं शहीदों की शहादत हूँ, मैं शहीदों की शहादत हूँ जो लिपट कर आते हैं तिरंगों में। मैं वो आग हूँ जो आज भी बसती है इस देश की उमंगों में। ज़रा एक तलक आँख उठाकर देख मुझे, ज़रा एक तलक आँख उठाकर देख मेरी ओर। मैं वो तिरंगा हूँ जो गिरा नहीं आज तलक किसी के कदमों में। मैं वो तिरंगा हूँ जो आज भी 135 करोड़ आज भी है 135 करोड़ आज़ादी के रंगों में। मैं वो तिरंगा हूँ जो आज भी है 135 करोड़ आज़ादी के रंगों में। शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू सौम्या। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिसमें तेरी शान है, सर ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल निधि नामदेव फॉर हर पेट्रियोटिक स्पीच।
August. Just as every year, today we have gathered here for the celebration of 75th Independence Day of India. Despite the critical conditions amidst COVID-19, which has kept us all at a distance, this morning we have come together to feel the special pride of being a citizen of this free nation. The independence, the freedom which we live every day, which is bestowed upon us as a blessing by great patriotic leaders of India who sacrificed their heavenly souls for the future of the nation, for our generation. It is a day to remember these powerful heart and brains, a day to cherish what we have, but also a day to remember what God sacrificed for it. Many known, many unknowns have shed their blood for our motherland. Over time, it seems that the blood of those who got martyred in wars and fields didn't go in vain. For India today is world's largest democracy and second largest population and doing so fine in every field, be it technology, medical science, space, sports, arts, education, defense, military, etc., etc., and is every day counting several steps towards development. Development of society, development in transports, development of services, development in connecting the country together. Previous year and even today, the country is facing numerous traumatizing and tragic scenarios because of COVID-19 pandemic, testing people's patience. But the nation came together every time as a whole to defeat it, stayed locked, quarantined with limited supplies, following every governmental instruction. Let us celebrate the way the nation came up to defeat this deadly virus. Every year, this day lights up the senses of patriotism, fire, and arouses the spirit in every Indian. The hoisted tricolor unfurled high in the sky keeps the fire burning in every individual of the nation. This day is a plethora of emotions, giving several goosebumps. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength and unity, the love for motherland, and inflames the fire within. It brings in a sense of responsibility as a citizen, sincerity to perform our duties, and to work hard to get the goal and be a successful individual. The tricolor flag shall always fly high, filling the hearts of every Indian with lighted spirit, passion, and patriotism for the motherland. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. बिना नाम, जात, धर्म पूछे वो हाथ मदद को बढ़े हैं। त्योहार हो चाहे रविवार हो, फिर भी वो खड़े हैं। Yes, you all guessed it right. Now it's time to pay a tribute to the frontline workers, the people who have helped and are still helping our nation to cope up with the current scenario. People who stayed away from their homes so that we all could smile once again. People who faced the danger with a smile on their face. With this note, I would request you all to give a very big round of applause for the COVID-19 frontline workers. I request it from everyone. A small tribute to the frontline workers is being presented by students from School of Engineering and Technology at IIM University. Please give them a big round of applause.
कुछ खामोश है ये शहर, कुछ दहशत में है फिजा, सन्नाटों में भी शोर है, एक जंग छिड़ी चारों ओर है, मायूस होता है तो क्यों, डर डर के क्यों जीता है, वक्त का क्या है टल जाएगा, ये मंजर फिर बदल जाएगा।
Sarara
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं।
हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं,
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं,
लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी
अब हमारे हाथ में।
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया
Salute to different line warriors. Thank you so much for the tribute. That was an amazing performance. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, encarn itself in thousands' life. Now, I invite Soumya Sharma of BSc Biotechnology for her dance performance.
ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों पे हम भेंट अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जहाँ तक लुटा जाएंगे। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन।
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदें लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोह को रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह को रंग दे बसंती।
Thank you so much, Soumya. And now it's time for the most eagerly waited part of the day's program. I would now request Professor S.S. Bhakar, Honorary Vice Chancellor, IITM University, Gwalior, Dr. Minakshi Majumdar, Director, IITM Gwalior, Dr. Omveer Singh, Registrar, IITM University, Gwalior, and Dr. Ranjit Singh Tomar, Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, IITM University, Gwalior, to kindly come up on the stage and unveil and inaugurate the annual calendar of IITM University. May I request everyone, sir, please. Take the wrappers with you. Krishna, take the wrappers with you. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. We are highly grateful to our chief guest for giving his valuable time and sharing his thoughts with us. We are thankful to you. Next, we would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our deans, HODs, faculty members, and the non-teaching staff for taking initiative in arranging this program. Further, I would like to thank our participants for presenting a great program with punctuality and enthusiasm. Thank you all. May God bless us all. Thank you so much.